2, 1, go.
And they're off. We have autonomous mode. We see 5608 Lassiter moving and removing a piece of algae from the reef. And placing a piece of coral, almost getting it onto, but they do get it in the trough, so they will get 3 points for that. And that sound means the drivers are now in charge of the box for the next 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Teams moving across the ocean floor, currents moving them back and forth. And Lassiter pulls another piece of algae from the reef, getting it off of that reef. You see those large pieces of algae, maybe getting them to the processor. Have an attempt to get a piece of coral over on the red side by 6944 the Wolverines, but it does fall to the ground, to the ocean floor, and does not stay in that coral trough. On the Blue Alliance side, we have Lassiter with another piece of coral added to the reef there at the second tier, earning them 4 points for that piece of coral being there. And now they get one on the bottom tier, which gives them 3 points. So they now have them at 2 tiers of the coral on the Blue Alliance side. Over on the Red Alliance side, we have a robot moving up to try to put a piece of coral on that top row, but it does not quite make it. It spins off to the ocean floor. That attempt did not make its intended target. Over on the Blue Alliance side, 5608, that is Lassiter moving around and getting coral on the bottom row. That is worth 3 points per piece of coral as they're moving them across to their reef. Over on the red side, the Wolverines able to get coral into their robot, now trying to get it into the reef at some level. They're going to go up. Looks like they're going to try another opportunity at that top level. And it does fall, does not make that mark, but it does stay in the trough. It should give them 2 points as it stays in the reef. It just does not make it onto the different tiers. And that sound means we have 20 seconds remaining in the match, entering the end game time period, and they do get that one to stick. The Wolverines get a 5-point piece of coral to stick to the red side of the ocean floor on their reef. Under 5 seconds to go as the teams make their way back to the barge area, and that will be the end of qualifying match number 35. Preliminary score, red team 7, blue team 37, as we await final word from our officials. And the official word is in. We have a final score. The winner is the Blue Alliance. Congratulations to Lassiter, Dalton, and Eve Robotics. Final score, Blue Alliance 41, Red Alliance 9. Again, congratulations to Dalton, Lassiter, and Eve Robotics.